if you are wondering what is the recommended charger for Google Pixel 11, then let me quickly share that information with you. So essentially, you're looking for a power adapter that has 30 watts with PD 3.0 or PPS technology. This is what is supported on Google Pixel 11. 30 watts is the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use to charge the battery. So if you happen to have a power adapter with 30 watts, there is no point of upgrading just for Pixel 11, of course. And if you're wondering what brand you should go for, then the absolute best option is going to be probably Google's power adapter or Google's charger, since they are probably the most optimized ones for Google Pixel smartphones, including Google Pixel 11. So the best option, the absolute best option you can probably get is Google's charger with 30 watts or more. Now, at the same time, you don't have to really restrict yourself to Google's chargers. While the Google's charger is definitely the most recommended one and the most optimal one, if you want to purchase a charger or power adapter that is made by another brand, you can still do so. They will still work. So, for example, you can get a Samsung power adapter or Motorola power adapter, maybe Oppo or OnePlus or Realme or Xiaomi, etc. So these power adapters are going to work as well. And still, you should stick with 30 watts or more so that you can provide the fastest charging speed possible. And I would avoid using knockoffs, so brands that are not so popular. If you are not familiar with a brand that produces power adapters, then, well, I would just avoid it, and I would stick with those only well-known brands, for example, with those that also produce smartphones. So I think these are the second best options. And besides that, another thing that you have to consider is while purchasing a charger or power adapter, you might need to replace the cable. So if the charger has USB-C port, then you can use the original cable. That is not a problem. But of course, you can find power adapters with USB-A ports. So in that case, you will have to change the cable and use a USB-A to USB-C cable. This one won't work in that case because you will not be able to connect it to both your phone and the charger. So you need to keep that in mind. And while I've been mentioning 30 watts pretty much throughout the video, while this is the recommended option because it allows you to get the fastest charging speed possible, if you happen to get a charger or power adapter that has less than 30 watts, it is still fine. You should still be able to charge your Google Pixel 11. So I hope everything is clear. In case you have any questions, you can try to ask me in the comments, and that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.